so glad.
Why, that was a narrow escape.
It sure was. Now see if we can find your father.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Zola calling. I'm in the dungeon. Apollon, Corso, quick. I'm in the dungeon.
I'm coming, Master Zola.
Bruce, Father's gone.
I wonder what could have happened to him.
Oh,
Where you going, Master?
I must find him.
You wait here. Jerry now find your father. Come on, Jerry. Apollon, Corso, I'm in the dungeon.
Why don't you open the door? You know the combination. It's your own invention.
Oh, you to give me orders.
I'm coming, Master Zola.
What about us?
Yes, you stay here.
I'll have you out in a minute, Master. Master Zola? Master Zola? Master! Master! Are you hurt? Hurt, Master?
I'm all right. Apollon, where are they? Gordon and Manius. They're gone, Master Zolak. Find them and get those other two that just left here. Yes, Master. Come on. Gorzo, to your post.
Yes, Master.
There goes Manius. Follow him. If we can get him out of the lost city, his scientific knowledge will be worth a fortune to us. Come on.
Bruce, I can't find him anywhere.
We've got to find him.
Oh, Father. Father, dear, I was so worried.
Where is Bruce Gorton and his assistant?
Why, they're out looking for you.
Gentlemen, you've startled us. Are you perhaps members of the Bruce Gorton party?
Yes, this is Professor Reynolds. I'm Dr. Colton.
I am Dr. Manius. This is Natcha, my daughter.
We are looking for a way out of here. Can you help us?
Perhaps. How? Through the tunnel.
But, Father, the tunnel door is charged with high voltage. It means certain death.
Not with my new freezing gun. It destroys high voltage, paralyzes all electrical energy. Fine. Let me have that gun. No. It's too dangerous. I must operate it myself.
Where does the tunnel lead to?
To the jungle.
We'll go find Bruce and Jerry.
And I'll go with you.
And I, too.
Dr. Manius, we had better stay here in case the boys return.
Did you find him?
No, man.
Where's your father? Where's your father?
He's in his laboratory.
Apollon, bring Magnus to my office.
Yes, Master.
I want the truth. Have you given these strangers any information about my city?
I'm no scientist.
You can't deceive me. I'll get the truth out of you.
Don't be a fool, Bruce. Can't you see that girl's in cahoots with Zolak?
We'll find out. Come on.
now what?
I'll tell you. We'll go back to the laboratory. Perhaps Dr. Manus can tell us how to open this door.
Come on, let's go.
I'm going to photograph your thoughts in the record chart. And if you've lied to me...
This is a devitalizer.
Dr. Manus, you have made amazing discoveries.
Yes, yes, yes. Come, Doctor.
Bruce, Jerry, and your daughter are waiting at the tunnel entrance. Natcha said not to forget the freezing gun. Why didn't you get the gun?
Manus absolutely refused to even let me see it. Pick them up the time.
Now, dear. Reynolds and Colton want me to meet you at the tunnel entrance. In case of error, meet me there. Now, dear. Reynolds and Colton want me to meet you at the tunnel entrance.
Gentlemen, what's the meaning of all this? We've got to get out of here. Come on. How dare you treat me like this? We're doing it for your own good. Come on. Quiet.
Well, I guess we're lost, Bruce. This place all looks alike to me.
We'll find Manus's laboratory if it takes all day. Dr. Manus, is it safe to go through? Absolutely. But my daughter and your friends, we can't leave without them. They'll be along presently. Come. Where's Dr. Manus? Release me and I'll tell you. Speak up. Where is he? Colton Reynolds took him away. So you think your new friends are going to escape, eh? I'll fix that. Quick, Jerry, before we're trapped. Stay there in the chair and learn to speak the truth.
If I only had a crowbar.
That won't do the trick. Wait. Where's your light key? I don't know what you mean.
Get down there. Well, I'll show you. Get him, Jerry. Get down. Come on.
I got it. Right
got
here.
it. That's boy. Come on.
Here we are.
That's it.
Now, let's get out of here. Natcha! Are you all right?
Yes, I'm all right.
Where did Reynolds and Colton take your father?
Isn't he still in his laboratory?
We didn't see him there. Only Apollon. Sure, and he was all tied up.
let's find Father.
Who did this? Those two strangers you captured. Quick, untie me. Apollon, Gorzo, attention. Manius just escaped through the charge door. Apollon, you take the giants and capture him. And send Gorzo here at once.
Father! Father!
Natcha, dear.
Father left me a message. What?
Natcha, dear. Reynolds and Colton want me to meet you at the entrance. In case of error, meet me there.
Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's at the end of corridor 10.
Let's go.
They've gone on.
Then they're waiting for us outside. We must follow.
What's this, Natcha?
Well, that's the freezing gun my father invented to nullify the electric charge on the door back there.
Looks like it's broken. It is. No, it's no use to us now. Let's hurry.
Come, we'll go.
Tunnel. Look. There's Dr. Manuel. He's the one that's captured your men and made them brainless slaves.
He did it.
Manus, I leave you to the vengeance of these people for all you've done to them and to me. But let me explain. Silence! To the altar of sacrifice.
Hey!